Ayan guys, I show you Pia Lee, Bakerstock, Jason, Brian, and Pia Lee, yung aking in-order na shawarma. Look at these. There we go. You see, oh, yummy. Ayan, good na petit. Ayan, and this, they have the, ayan, and this is mine. Oh my god. This is with rice, guys. You see, they have a white rice. So, ayan, let's eat now. Good na petit. And we have a Coke also. So, ayan guys, mga kalindog. Ayan guys, kakainin natin ang ating shawarma for a while, okay? So, let's taste this purse. Ano to? Para siyang, what do you call it? Show you. Na para siyang, it's like, what do you call it? I think this is cheese inside. Masarap siya. Ayan guys, this is our dinner today, or my dinner. Really yummy. And this is good. Di ba? Tapos try natin itong shawarma, mga kalindog. Ayan. Give you only 2 minutes. Di ba? Sarap. Yummy. So, okay mga kalindog. I'm gonna eat now. I show you only for a while. Yung in-order na tulog. So, okay guys, thank you. So, bye. Thank you for watching. Bye. So, this is the butter. Ano ba sabihin ko natin? I just wait only 2 minutes and then I will let you. Ayan guys, ang sarap. O, diba? Talagang ininggit ko pa kayo. Okay, bye na. Ayan, almost done, guys. It's yummy. Almost done my shawarma, okay? And of course, we have the Coke. But I never drink Coke, guys. Remember, Coke is not healthy. Instead, I drink water. You see, Bakerstock, water with honey. Honey is good. See? Okay. Ayan guys, bottoms up. O, diba? Gutom lang. O. Diba? Gutom lang as in, o, diba? Said. As in, super. Parang binagyo ang pagkain. OMG. Diba? Diba? Gutom lang talaga. Said as in, super Said. O, diba? So, ayan guys, thank you ha. Thank you. Ayan, Bakerstock, Pia Lee, Brian, Abdul Laya. Ano ba yan? Nagte-thank you ako. So, okay, thank you all. Ayan, belly buttons. Ayan, thank you. Bye.